Imagine you're floating in space, beautiful blue planet Earth. It's your home, where you were born, where your family lives, where every memory of your existence began. But suddenly, something unimaginable happens. The Earth stops spinning. What would happen next? Would life survive? Would the planet itself be destroyed? Today, we're diving deep into this terrifying thought experiment. Have you ever thought about it? Why is space completely black even though there are billions of stars? Look at the night sky. There are stars everywhere, yet space looks dark. But why? It's because space has no air. On Earth, the atmosphere scatters sunlight, making the sky blue. But in space, there's nothing to scatter the light, so it just travels in straight lines, making space look black. Also, the universe is so big that some starlight hasn't even reached us yet. That's why space stays dark, no matter how many stars are out there. Crazy, right? Now you know why space is black. If you want more mind-blowing facts, hit subscribe and stay curious. Watch this video closely. When asteroids enter Earth's atmosphere, they burn up because of air friction. But have you ever wondered why spacecraft don't melt the same way when coming back from space? Spacecraft enter at super high speed, and air friction makes the temperature rise to 1500 degrees, hot enough to melt metal. But they have a heat shield that absorbs and burns away the heat. This is called ablative shielding. This special shield protects the spacecraft and keeps astronauts safe while returning to Earth. Amazing, right? If you love space facts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome videos. Imagine landing on a planet where just 1 hour equals 7 years on Earth. Sounds impossible? That's exactly what happens on Miller's planet in Interstellar. It orbits a giant black hole called Gargantua, which has insane gravity. This strong gravity bends space and slows down time, something called time dilation. The closer you are to extreme gravity, the slower time moves. So, while astronauts spent only minutes on Miller's planet, decades passed on Earth. But here's the real question: would you want to visit this planet? Comment below. Follow for more crazy space facts. What if Earth suddenly stopped spinning? The results would be catastrophic. Right now, everything moves at over 1,000 miles per hour because of Earth's rotation. If it stopped instantly, boom, everything not nailed down would be hurled eastward at supersonic speeds. Mega tsunamis would flood entire cities, wiping out coastlines. One half of the planet would be in permanent daylight, turning into a scorching wasteland, while the other side would freeze solid. And without rotation, Earth's magnetic field would collapse, leaving us exposed to deadly space radiation. Thankfully, this won't happen, but Earth is slowing down by 1.7 milliseconds per century. Crazy, right? Like and subscribe for more mind-blowing facts. Have you ever seen? Why does a white line form behind an airplane? Whenever an airplane flies in the sky, a white line forms behind it. But is it really smoke? Absolutely not. It is called contrails. When the engine of the plane burns fuel, water vapor, comes out of it. But as soon as this hot water meets 40 degrees 6 or even colder air, it immediately turns into small particles of ice. These ice particles combine to form a white line, which looks like smoke to us. Now, whenever you see this white line in the sky, can you tell your friends the reason for this? Tell us in the comments. And yes, if you like the video, then give a like and subscribe so that we will stay motivated.